Me match the helicopter. Oh. No one asked for this, but I'm gonna do it anyways because, like, don't know why. Anyways. Is this annoying? This mirror is here because I'm going to be doing a... I'm going to be attempting... Oh, God. Filming a freckle tutorial. What? Right now, I have like some... Oh God, I'm so ugly. Some freckles on. Oh, my fucking back. What? I'm just gonna be kind of like going over how I do them and stuff like that. The two methods I do is the first one, I just use makeup, like actual like dip brow to like do freckles. Oh my God. Up. She's used and abused, beach. Oh, fuck. The second method, we'll get to that later. Okay. Oh my God. I go in with a smaller brush, like something like this. This isn't actually an e.l.f. brush. I got it for like $1 at like Target. Like, anyways, I'm gonna leave that out because that was really weird. I have some on right now, like I showed you earlier. Basically, I'm just gonna like add more to it, and like that's why this mirror's here. I feel like I've already said that, but like, gotta remind you. What I do first is I like take my small brush, right, and I like pinch it. And I pinch it until it's like that kind of a line, almost like flat surface type thing. So after I flatten it, I kind of just like dip it. I don't go like ham, I just go like a little bit, just like the ends of it. And then you have to remember which side you dipped it in, and now like I can't because like I'm like dumb. I'll just do it again. So I basically just kind of like go in and like add more. And my lash popped off. And you can like faintly see them. Bitch. Yee. Boy. I'll take you in kind of like closer now. Okay, just like ignore my redness around here. And ignore this too. Like my lash popped off and like that sucks. Am I gonna fix it? No. Okay. I kind of want to like focus on like the sides of your nose more. Like people that have like real freckles have them like on the sides. That took like forever for me, but like for you that probably took like 30 seconds because I'm probably just gonna like... So you should have something like this. That's like my best at like making it look as natural as possible, which I'm not a very natural person, but to make it look more natural, some people they use a like a beauty blender, or I like to just use my finger. It looks like I got my freckles from like the sun or something. But yeah, that's method one. I'm gonna wipe off these freckles and then I'm gonna show you the other way. I tried my best to like get them all off. That's just like redness from poking your skin. This way I'm gonna show you, you don't have to like poke yourself at all to like give yourself freckles. So this second method, I use powder. I have this old kind of like e.l.f. kind of bronzer kit. Hi. Oh, exposed. You want to find yourself like a lid of some sort and tweezers or like something hard that you can scrape, because like what you're gonna do is like start to kind of chip at like the bronzer and then kind of like mash it up in there. God. And you take your lid and you just kind of like... Oh God. Make sure you close your eyes. Like, you don't want this shit in your eyes, like it's bad. No. after the second time I did it, it came out like better. I have like these natural freckles here and then up here. It's just a more easier way, or like natural way, if you don't know how to place your freckles. Like you can just let the makeup do it for you. I like this method because you can just take a brush and just kind of like wipe it away to like dull it down. I think this video is gonna be like really quick. I can like add more.